Yeah, hello.
Hi,
Yeah, hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Am I audible or visible properly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me properly?
Yeah. I can.
Okay, great.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, where you from?
Ma'am, I am from Uttarakhand.
Okay, and where in
Yeah.
Uttarakhand?
I am from Almora,
Oh, that's wonderful. That's great.
have
I'm
you
from Delhi.
Delhi? So, have you ever been in Uttarakhand?
I've been to Uttarakhand, but I've never been to Almora. It's on my list. I need to go there. I've heard many good things.
Okay.
Yeah, how's
Uh-huh,
the weather there?
uh-huh. Yeah,
How's
actually, mhm. So, have
yeah,
you
how's
ever
the
been
weather?
in Nainital?
Yeah,
Nainital, I think.
yeah. I've been to Nainital. I'll be coming again, like next month.
Okay.
But
Yeah, now weather is good. Weather is good. It's not too sunny, and it was raining last 2 or 3 days, but now it's okay.
okay, that's
And
wonderful.
weather, yeah, and weather is quite good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And what do you do?
Actually, at present, I am preparing for government's exam, and especially I'm preparing for my own state exam,
Okay,
Uttarakhand's
okay,
exam. Yeah, right.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's fine. Okay, so you know about the AutoCAD feature, right? I don't need to tell you.
Sorry.
You know about the AutoCAD feature we have, like after
Right. Yeah.
15 minutes, I
Yeah.
can.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
so
Yeah, I know.
let's
Yeah.
make good use of it. And you want to go ahead with a lesson, or do you want to talk about something else?
I want to do something else because I tried to recall, like the topic was given me. So I tried to recall a fun incident, but
Yeah,
I thought, but uh, but there is no incident in my life. So
really?
yeah, so I don't remember any kind of fun incident.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll
So
try to bring it in between or something funny in between. No
yeah,
worries.
right. Yeah. So,
Yeah,
ma'am, mm,
yeah.
what do you do apart from this?
Okay. Apart
Mhm,
from this, I also like tutor kids on another platform,
mhm.
advanced English, spoken English, of course, creative writing and all. And I'm also a freelance copywriter.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's nice. So you teach or you do freelancing.
I do both.
Okay.
So
So
it's weird. Like half of
mhm,
the day, I'm just doing my writing stuff, which I have
mhm,
to write for other clients. And when there are like some slots that I've reserved for myself during the later half of the day, and at
mhm.
that time I teach.
Okay. So is teaching your profession is your passion?
Yeah, you could say that. Yes, it is my
Okay.
passion. What about you?
Yeah, and learning English is my passion, I think.
Really? Or is it just because we are sitting in a session?
No. Actually, learning English is my passion.
Mhm.
Actually, I want to learn this language, and I want to talk with people in English. And I feel very good when I talk with people in English. So that's why I'm learning English. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I
And
loved English.
uh,
That's why I teach it and that's why I write it.
yeah, right. And
Yeah.
there are another things in my mind,
Mhm.
like as I earlier said to you, right now I'm preparing for government's exam.
Yeah.
So yeah, so if I will not get selected in this examination, so that time I have to move Delhi. I have to move metro cities.
Yeah.
So yeah, but in Delhi, if you want a job, so that time you have to speak in English. If you are fluent, if you know how to speak English, so that time it is very easy to get selection in interview or in a good
Yeah.
company. Yeah.
It
So
opens door for you.
yeah, right.
It does. It does. So you need to
Yeah,
be fluent. And
yeah,
that's a good thing. That it's good that you have a backup plan as well.
yeah. So that's yeah. So this is the another thing which I'm learning English.
Hmm.
Mm,
So
yeah.
other than that, like, so you're saying you want to move to Delhi,
Hmm.
but what field do you want to try?
Sorry, what I feel.
What field, like what
Okay,
profile
what?
sign
Okay,
up
what?
for?
Okay. Yeah. Actually, I am from commerce background because I have done my
Okay.
graduation in commerce. So
Yeah.
definitely, I will try to search job in commerce field.
like
Yeah.
sales and marketing, something like
Yeah,
that.
marketing. Yeah, accounting also.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, of course, we're not doing a lesson today, just like you said.
Mm-hmm.
But do you have any movie? Like, what do you see? Any
Mm,
like, what is the genre you prefer? Comedies or action movies or romantic or horror?
okay. Actually, I love comedy as well as I love to movie which are based on biographies. Basically, which are
Okay,
based on biographies. So
yeah,
I love to watch biographies.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So, any funny incident in any of the movies you've seen until now that you still remember?
Mm, no, I think no,
No,
I think my memory is not good. So so I don't so I don't remember any kind of fun incident, any kind of funny things in my life.
no.
Nothing.
Any
No.
actor you prefer whose acting you feel is like very humorous?
Yeah. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is my favorite.
Yeah,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi.
yeah, of course.
Pankaj Tripathi and there is another Rajkumar Rao.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so these are all my favorite these are all my favorite actors.
Yeah,
And and I have watched some series or like Sacred Games. Do you know
yeah.
Sacred Games and Mirzapur also?
Hmm. But
Yeah.
these actors are not there in that, I think. Like Nawazuddin Siddiqui or Pankaj Tripathi, and even Rajkumar Rao. They're in movies, I guess, like Stree and Ludo and all.
Right,
No?
right. Yeah. 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 So I like such kind of actors. Like I don't like there are some actors who don't know how to play a role properly, but they are very popular in our country.
Yeah,
Yeah. But these actors are very good and very
they're
hardworking, I would
talented.
say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're talented. Like they get into a role, and no matter what role they are playing. So in
Yeah.
Ludo, Pankaj Tripathi is supposed to be the gang leader, mob boss, some sort of thing, and he does it so humorously. I mean, it's amazing.
Right, right, right. Yeah. And they just like how to say in English, like वो character में घुस जाते हैं.
They get into the
Sorry, they get into the character.
character so well.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Something like that. I mean, that's fine. So you,
Mm.
I mean, how are your classes going on in clapping? What
Yeah.
do you say? Are you making a progress? Like, what level are you in intermediate, or just at the beginner level, or in
Mm.
between both?
Yeah. Actually, I have been using Cambly since a long time. Like it was, I think, my like it will be my I think 24th, 25th session on Clapping Go.
Yeah,
So like I learned a lot of things through Clapping Go, and right now I am able to talk with anyone. Like I don't fear. Don't fear. I don't have fear any kind of fear. I can communicate with anyone in English language.
that's good.
Yes,
That's good.
yes, yeah. So I think Clappingo is a very good application to enhance your confidence.
Yeah, it does. It does. So it's
Yeah.
like we're strangers and we're talking to strangers every time. And at the end of every session, we become friends or even acquaintances where we know at least little things about each other.
Right, right, right. Yeah, actually, yeah, yeah. According to me, I think like there are I think 4 to 5 tutors, which I like. I don't talk too much tutors. Like there are some,
Okay.
yeah, there are some tutors,
Yeah, you
which yeah, and which I have to talk
learn.
usually.
Hmm.
Yeah. But like all tutors are very good, very friendly, very calm, and very helpful also.
Yeah,
So whenever we stuck and whenever we make a wrong sentence, so after like at the end of the session or after 15 minutes, so uh, they provide like what are the right things, what are the wrong things.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
No, no, that's great. That's great.
right, yeah.
So yeah, that's what I was observing.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
because I mean, you are confident. That's like the first step you need to go for.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So if you're confident, people would, they might recognize your mistake, but they'd be like, oh, he's confident. He's so confident that they won't really see if you're speaking the correct tense or if, but people are observant. Okay, they're gonna see.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right,
So confidence is only good if you're speaking the right thing. You cannot
right,
you cannot do the wrong thing and be confident about it.
right, right, right. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think, yeah, yeah, like confidence matters, but you should improve yourself,
Yeah,
right?
of
When,
course.
yeah, like initially when we start something, so that time we make a lot of mistakes. We make a lot of mistakes. So that time confidence play a vital role. Like
Yeah.
if you are thinking about like if I like if I like if I am saying any sentence, so so if I will make wrong sentence, so what the tutor will think about me, what the other people think about me. If you are thinking the thing in your mind, so that time you will stuck.
Yeah. That
Yeah,
time you fumble and make mistakes.
yeah.
And that's going to happen like the first two, three times. But after that, I think you get into the flow and you can speak properly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So,
whatever, like, yeah, like in terms of English, in terms of anything, whatever we start in new in our life, so
mhm.
initial stage always hard.
Yeah, very true. Nothing comes easy.
Yeah, right,
Yeah,
yeah, nothing comes easy.
otherwise we don't value it. Anyways,
Right.
so try to,
Uh-huh.
focus on your tenses, of course. I know your tutors would have told you that.
Right,
Tenses,
yeah.
of course, just try that whenever you're speaking in past tense or present tense, just try to distinguish, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And singular, plural, be very careful about that. So when you say like government's exam,
Okay.
okay,
Mm.
it's actually government exam.
Okay, government
If so,
exam.
if you want to say governments, it should be like the apostrophe s,
Mm-hmm.
you know, when we say
Yeah.
possessive noun, like,
Yep.
yeah.
Right.
So be very careful about that. Of
Mm-hmm.
course, prepositions, helping verbs, like where you have to add to, where you have to add at. These are things you'll get on, I think. I mean, they don't come initially, but you know where you're going wrong, especially when you're writing or when you're speaking on your own. So, what I observed, you were trying to correct yourself as well.
Mm-hmm. Right,
But
yeah.
yeah, even while
Mm-hmm.
you were speaking, if you think that you were going wrong somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
you corrected yourself. So,
Mm-hmm.
that's the way to go. Other than that, try
Mm-hmm.
to speak a little less, uh, like make sure that your pace or your speed is, I mean, moderate, not
Okay.
very fast. Of course, most of the time when someone asks us and we want to express everything that's going on in our mind as fast
Mm-hmm.
as possible, otherwise we'll
Right.
forget or we might lose flow, like where the conversation was supposed to go. So we want to express as much as possible.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And just because we're so much into it, we tend to forget a grammar, we tend to forget a sentence construction, if it's right or not.
Mm-hmm.
And that's instinctual, that will happen, that's fine.
Okay.
Just try to make, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So just try
Yeah.
to remember all these things. I'm not saying you'll get it at first go,
Yeah.
but
Right. Yeah.
next time when you try speaking, I'm sure tutors would have told you that do this, do that, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
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 So next time when you're speaking, whether you're speaking in front of the mirror, talking to yourself, or like anything, they would have told you to perform some activities. While you do this, just be a little mindful of these things. That just remember it in your mind that I don't have to do it. And if you make a mistake, start again. That's all.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah. Got
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
So our session is almost over, okay? And I have like
Okay.
another session starting.
Yeah.
So I have to
Yeah.
leave, okay? But
Yeah. Okay,
thank you
ma'am.
so much for joining in. It's
Okay.
wonderful to talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
I had a really lovely session with you. And all
Yeah.
the
Same
best
here.
for your exams.
Yeah.